Hi, in this video tutorial, you will learn about the combo box and the drop-down control. What are their similarities, their differences, and when you should use one or the other. Okay, so here I'm going to insert a combo box and I'm going to map it to the books Dataverse table, which is this one. There's the title column, author, publisher, and year. If you see here on data source, it's mapped to the books table. I'm going to save and play. If you see here, now you have the list of books in the combo box. The combo box is similar to the drop-down, but it has differences. Let's see the drop-down. I'm going to insert a drop-down here, and I'm also going to map it to the books table. In this case, it came mapped to the author column. Let's change it to the book title. Play, and here they are. On both of them, you can format. So you can change font size, let's say 25. You can change height, let's do 70. You can change font color, let's do this one. You can also change the selected item color. So if I play here, let's also make the width larger. Now if I play it, you can see the color updates, the selected item color that I chose. And same for the drop-down. Change height, font size, width, selection color, play, and you can see here. For the combo box, you can change the fields that are displayed here. So currently it is displaying the book title. I can change to author. And here they are. Okay. Here, title. For the drop down, it is in the value field. Here. Okay. One difference is that the combo box allows both single or multiple selections, while the drop down allows you to select just one item. So let me change it back to book title on both of them. I'm going to play. And here, I can select one, two items in the combo box, while the drop down allows me to select just one. Okay? The combo box also has search functionality. So if I want to search for an item, I can type the item name here, and it will display. While the drop-down doesn't have that option. So it's usually for when you want to select one item in a short list. The combo box would be more suitable for when you have lots of items that is hard to select just by scrolling, or when you need to select more than one. Let's make the combo box and the drop-down wider, because I want to show you something. Okay, so here in the combo box, one option that you have is to select the double layout instead of the single layout. What this means? It means that you can add a secondary text. Let's say author. I'm going to click play, and you can see both the title name and the author Needs a little formatting here. So let's change font size, let's say to 15. Okay, now you can see it better. While the dropdown doesn't allow you to select a secondary field. There is an alternative that you could do that for the dropdown if you wanted, but it's not provided as a property. You would need to do it programmatically. So like this. You go to the items property of the dropdown, and then you do a formula like this: add columns, books, then you do title and author, title column, and a little hyphen in between them. And then here, what you have is a formula that adds to the books table here locally in memory, not in the data source, here in memory. It adds a column called title and author, which will contain title hyphen author. And then you can come here and map the value property to the title and author column that was created. And see, now you have both of them. And this is something you could do also for the combo box if you wanted. So go to the items property of the combo box, and I'm going to paste the exact same formula. And then go to fields and select title and author, single. And there you have it. Okay. Okay, let's change it back to just books, title, same for the combo box, books, title. Okay. In the combo box, you can also search on different fields. So here, the search field currently is name, which is the logical name for the title field. If you go here to Dataverse, and you click on title, and then you click edit column, advanced option, you will see that logical name, that is the name for this column. And that is the column where search is going to happen. So if we play, and we come here and do a search, it will be in the title field. If you want, you can change it to search on a different field, let's say in the author. We click play. Now, I type Sam, and it's going to show me the books by Sam, which are these two, Developer Tales and Tech Mysteries. If you go here, Tech Mysteries by Sam and Developer Tales. Okay? Close. Both the combo box and the dropdown have a display mode property, which allows you to select between edit, disabled, and view. Edit mode is the mode that you saw up to now, which allows you to select different values for the field. If you select disabled, it's going to be a grayed out. And then if you click here, it doesn't work. In the view mode, you can just see that the combo box is there, but you cannot actually make a change. And if you go here to the dropdown, same thing. Here, you cannot change. Okay, let's move it back to edit. There is also the visible property on both of them, so you can turn it on and off. If turned off, then the control becomes invisible. Available for both controls. And for the combo box, you can enable or disable the allow multiple selection option. By default, it's turned on, meaning you can select more than one item. Okay? But you can turn it off like this. And then if you play it, then you have to select one or the other, which is the only available behavior for the drop down. Okay, let's turn it back on. Another property that you have available for the combo box is the allow searching. So you can turn off the search functionality, which is not available for the drop down. Okay, here on advanced, you have some properties such as the input text placeholder, which currently has find items here for the combo box. So if I play, let me unselect. See, it says find items. You can change that to something different, such as select items, which is a property that is not available for the drop-down because the drop-down always has one item selected. You also have the search fields. So currently it is searching in the author field, but if you want, you can add a second field on where the search is going to happen. So let's go here and take a look. What's the name, the logical name for the title column? If we click edit, you see here that the name is this one. I'm going to copy it, go back, and then I'm going to go to the search fields, comma, and then add the new field. Now it's going to search both on author and the book title name. To show that, let's add both of them. So I'm going to change to double, title and author. So I'm going to go here to the combo box, go to the search fields, and add the new field there, which will be this one. Okay, it's here. Let's click play. Now we can search both by author and book title. Okay, book title. Now, how can you identify which items were selected by the user? Let me show you. So I'm going to click here and insert a text label. Okay, here. So in this text label, we will display the selected items. How do we do that? You can go to the text label, text property, and the way that you identify the items that were selected in the combo box is by doing combo box 1, which is the combo box here, dot selected items. This returns a table containing the items that were selected in the combo box. But you cannot display a table in a text label. So let's convert that to a string. We can do concat and then pass the table as a parameter, and then do title to get the title of the book, and add a comma as a separator, like that. Let's play. Then if we select this item here, then you can see it there. If we select this item and this other item and also this other one, then they are here. We need a little bit more space. Okay, now you can see all of them. For the drop-down, it is different, but similar. So let's select here the container, the drop-down container, and I'm going to insert a text label also. It's here. Let's increase the width. Okay. For the drop-down, the way you reference the items that were selected is by doing drop-down 1, which is this drop down, dot, selected text. The property is different here. Selected text because it's just one item, and this will return a record. If you want just the value there, you can do value. So here, now, if you select this book, then it's going to display it here. Hey, if you like this video, please click like, and if you want to learn more about Power Apps, click subscribe.